First thing I did is I went ahead and opened this up and measured it out the length. And I took my razor knife and I cut it. And then what I do next is I have some of this brown flooring paper here. And when I go ahead and put this up, I tear some of the paper, fold it in half. Uh-oh, you can't see me now. So I take the paper and I wrap it around the edge of the plastic. That makes it easier to take out later. And helps strengthen the hold of the plastic up there. Then you're just going to go ahead with your stapler and shoot right through your paper, so that when you take your plastic down, you can actually grab the paper and it pulls the staple out with it. If you don't use the paper, you pull the plastic down and the staple stays in the drywall usually. Okay, moving right along. It's like brown paper bag material. Usually I use drywall tape, the paper tape. But I don't have that out right now, and this was handy. So you're just going to fold it around your plastic like that. Fold it around the plastic. Hold it up there tight. Nice and tight. And then try not to staple your thumb. Oops. Dang, 2 bad shots. They were half on and half off, which isn't good. Okay. So the reason why I measured the roll of plastic across here is because although it's about 36 inches tall, it's folded multiple layers, which comes out to about, this is probably about a 10 feet, probably near 10 feet. So we just had the HVAC old ducts torn out, and since I don't have the drywall lit up yet, and we want to run the air, just going to seal it off here. Oops, actually I'm done right there. I went a little further than I needed to. So now we're going to pull this across here, like so. We're going to put some more paper on it here. Make it tight. Get that in there good. Oh shoot, we pulled out. We've got pull out. That's not good. Okay, had a little error here. I knew that wasn't going to be good. So what is good though is that, oops, usually that comes out with the staples. Oh, what a foul up. Time out. I don't have my tools on that I need. Okay, well, actually, okay. We've grabbed a couple tools here, some side cutters and some pliers. Get those staples out. Okay, regroup, get back to where we need to be. I haven't put this black belt on here for longer than I can remember, but I guess I could use this side pouch here for that and that. Nice. Okay. Back to getting this side up. Come on, baby. Let's not give me a problem here. Okay. It's easier when you're not trying to film it for some reason. Yikes. Oh, come on. Okay. Now, to be okay over here, tear a piece of paper. Now that there. Okay, ay caramba. It's been a lot of years since I've done this. Not so good at it anymore. Okay, now we are going to go ahead with the knife and cut it off right here. Okay, so that's good that that's done. The next thing to do is to seal that side over there and then cut out the metal vent there. That's the intake for the HVAC. So let's go ahead and try to finish this up. How are we going to do this? Where should we put this? How's that? I can't see. Oh, I'm going to lay it down. Oh boy. Okay, hopefully it'll stay there and not fall. I'll put my pliers in front of it. Okay, so, uh-oh, am I running out of paper? I ran out of paper. Hold on. I got some paper. Okay. 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 We've got paper. So, I'm not going to finish the whole thing, but I just want to show you what's going to go on here. And that is that we are going to start tacking up around this edge here. folding the paper over, and then getting some tacks, some staples in there. I like to double the paper. I fold it in half, so when I pull it out with a staple later, it comes out nice and easy. But it won't be easy because I'm putting 2 staples in, because I really don't want it to fall down. So, okay, moving right along. Problem here is they don't want to go into the wood as easy as they go into the drywall. I'll just try to hurry up and get this so you can see what's going on. Damn, they kicked the gun back down. So what I wanted to show you now is that I will cut this vent out, and I believe I'm going to cut it a little long. My razor knife's kind of dull, very dull. Okay, let's leave that like that. Ouch. Okay, so that's how you would temporarily get your plastic up. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple more staples in here because I was just hanging it up there. A couple more staples, or I'll put some tape up there, one way or the other. Probably just blue tape. The other piece of plastic, cut the plastic out there after I tack it up and get the drywall up in the next couple days. That's just so when we turn it on, it doesn't suck the dust from the top and down in and blow it through the house, through those vents. That bottom one I have to patch. Top one's okay. Gotta change out the ceiling fan because that plastic leaks. It's all broken kinda, and so old it's seeping water. That I have to patch. That's where the old vent was, but it didn't work with the new system. They actually never had that bottom vent hooked up, the guys who ever installed this originally. Okay.